Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here, and warm welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. This is a quick video where I'm going to share across setups on Bitcoin, especially options on Bitcoin. और ये हमारा जो topic है, ये बहुत interesting है. We are going to be looking at whether we can. Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here, and whether we can trade options on Bitcoin or not, and इसके बारे में मैं बात करूंगा. बीच में थोड़ा सा वॉइस का कुछ इशू था. So I'm going to talk about how we can trade failed breakout patterns, looking at Bollinger Bands and trading Bitcoin. तो उसके बारे में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चार्ट डेवलपमेंट हुआ है. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट टू सिंपली गो अबाउट इट एंड शेयर अक्रॉस एवरी वन ऑफ यू कि कैसे उसे ट्रेड करना है, कैसे उसे देखना है, एंड वेदर वी कैन रियली do something about these kind of failed patterns. These are trading the failed patterns. It's not very often you get these opportunities. आगे बढ़ने के पहले दोस्तों, if you are liking these kind of videos, do ensure to subscribe to channel, like it across, share across, और साथ ही में नीचे अपना कमेंट लिखना ना भूले. दूसरी चीज एक और है, we had an event in Bangalore and it was fantastic. Loved interacting with you all, and I'm sure you also enjoyed, whoever was there, you enjoyed meeting me, and the energy was altogether very different. We will try to do offline event even in Mumbai, Delhi. There were a lot of people who were asking for it, so I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to go back and explain you what is the Bitcoin chart looking like and what can we trade if there is a trade setup, which I just now found, and I thought why not go live and talk about it. So chalte hai, I'm just going to share across my screen very quickly, and we are going to look at the entire first. सबसे पहले करना क्या है हमें, अगर आपने मेरा लास्ट वीडियो नहीं देखा होगा तो please ensure you go and check my other videos which is there in the playlist about how these pattern work and how we trade these patterns. And if in case you haven't checked that yet, then do ensure to at least see the prior video, क्योंकि उससे आपको और इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी. एक और वीडियो था फेल्ड पैटर्न ब्रेकआउट पे जो मैंने बनाया था. सो अभी ये दूसरा वीडियो है अगेन ऑन अ फेल्ड ब्रेकआउट पैटर्न. सो आई एम शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन वेरी क्विकली. दिस इज द स्क्रीन. You can see here ki the first of all, this is on the Delta Exchange platform. The reason I am liking this platform क्योंकि बहुत ease of execution is very simple. Spreads है, options है, and expiry every other day की मिल जाती है. So I'm going to the spot chart over here first. On the spot chart, I'm looking at the Bitcoin USDT, and USDT is again essentially US dollar के को track करता है, and that's why USDT. And if you look at this, we had a breakout. This is on a daily time frame. हमें failed breakout hourly पे बहुत कम मिलता है, लेकिन ये daily time frame पे मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. Prices went up. We had a failed breakout and it came down and is consolidating within the Bollinger Bands. This is a daily candle. We are seeing a push on the downside very clearly, and we can say that the overall trend for Bitcoin looks to have reversed बैक ऑन द डाउनसाइड. यहां पर देखिए फिलहाल डेली चार्ट के ऊपर देखिए, मेरे ख्याल से यहां से हमें मूव मिलना चाहिए 27,050 27,000 जो मिड बैंड है 20,100 के आसपास, विच कैन बी अ डिसेंट इनफ मूव एज ऑफ नाउ. इसे ट्रेड करने के लिए मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं स्प्रेड का यूज करूंगा, बिकॉज बाय करना है. अगर मुझे पुट ऑप्शन, अगर आई एम लुकिंग फॉर पुट ऑप्शन बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी, आई माइट हैव टू यूज the spread, and I might have to use the options which are buying put and selling put, so that मेरा प्रीमियम कम हो जाए और अगर नीचे गया तो अच्छा पैसा मिले. So I'm going to go on the options now, on the spreads now. Looking at that, failed breakout कैसे था? We got a move up, we reversed down, we consolidated, and now we are heading down. That is the pattern I'm looking at. Once I have the view, now I am going to go on the spreads. Spread कौन सा देखेंगे? I want to buy put option and sell out of the money, deeper out of the money put option, and I might want to do it for 13th October because जितना expiry में time होगा उतना better है. So 13th October अगर मैं लेता हूँ, यहाँ पर if I am checking whether I have around 27,000 के आसपास का put option buying opportunities, what I want to see. So 27,500 पे एक ऑप्शन है, एंड इट इज कोटिंग एट $340. यार बहुत महंगा है. ये 27,500 वाला एंड सेलिंग 26,000. पॉइंट नहीं है, मुझे उतना ज्यादा बड़ा स्प्रेड नहीं चाहिए. आई माइट चेक इफ आई हैव अ लोअर स्प्रेड बट अराउंड 27,000 के आसपास का, which is buying 27,000 and selling 25,500. इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि मेरा व्यू 27,000 तक के टारगेट के लिए है, सो आई माइट नॉट वांट टू डू दैट. एंड यहां पर मुझे वो वाला ऑप्शन मिल नहीं रहा है. सो लेट मी गो एंड चेक ऑन द 10th अक्टूबर एक्सपायरी, अगर वैसा कुछ ऑप्शन है क्या. यहां पर ऑप्शन है 27,400 और 27,200 का. करंट प्राइस इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली $64 के आसपास का. ये वाला मैं सोच सकता हूं, लेकिन मूवमेंट मुझे आज या कल तक आनी चाहिए. सो आई अगेन गो ऑन द स्पॉट चार्ट. बिटकॉइन इज करेंटली 27,437 पे है ओवरऑल, एंड लुक्स लाइक कि यहाँ पर ओवरऑल मूव नीचे का. आई अगेन गो ऑन स्प्रेड. सो 27,400 वाला जो स्प्रेड है, एंड आई एम बाइंग अ पुट स्प्रेड ऑफ 10th अक्टूबर एंड trying to bet on this specific 27,400 buy, 27,200 sell. That looks to be a sensible trade to do. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to check इसके ऊपर कोई चार्ट पे कोई इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे मिल रही है. I'm going to check on a 15-minute chart of this spread. So if I'm looking at a 15-minute chart of this spread, we can clearly see a classic break that has happened on the upside. The overall move is positive. It's on the rise. If I check the 1 hour chart, 1 hour नहीं चेक कर पाएंगे क्योंकि डेटा ज्यादा नहीं है. So 1 hour might not really help us. 15 minutes पे ही we might have to rely. And if I look at the entire movement, we might be late in the entry in this kind of a scenario, क्योंकि ब्रेकआउट एक्चुअली स्प्रेड पे आया था हमारा 35 के आसपास, और अभी अगर मैं देख रहा हूं 15 मिनट्स पे वी हैव ऑलरेडी गॉन शार्पली अप. सो मे बी व्हाट वी कैन डू इज, यहां पर ब्रेकआउट देखिए ना, बॉलिंगर बैंड्स ब्रेकआउट वर्क फैंटास्टिक ऑन द स्प्रेड आल्सो. नाउ लुकिंग एट दिस चार्ट, I might want to be little careful on buying a put right now. Maybe we can sell a call option. So, और मुझे करना था 13th अक्टूबर की एक्सपायरी का, जिससे time till expiry is much more. So buying will be giving me much better result. So let me go on the spreads again, and I'm just checking here. If I want to sell a put, call spread ऊपर का around that spread for 10th October, do I have any kind of a sensible trade to take is what I'm going to find out. And if there is an option spread, अगर option spread पे कुछ नहीं मिला तो we might then see something else. Yes, there is a trade here which is 27,800 and 28,400. So this one I can think of doing something around here, and $42 का mark price भी है इसमें. So ये वाला मैं सोच सकता हूँ. And let me check if there is anything else. No. So we might have to think about that one. और 13th October अगर expiry देख रहे हैं हम on the call spread, we still have, which is an expiry after 3-4 days. We might still want to take a bet on 20 where we are getting some decent enough spread, not much. So I want to hedge when I'm selling my call options, I want to hedge it. So अगर मुझे hedge करना है तो I want to buy at 28,000 के आसपास का, या 28,500 भी चलेगा, and maybe 29,000. So I can think of doing something like this, 28,500 with 29,000. That makes sense. And but liquidity मिलनी चाहिए. Let us just check if this one is liquid with 500 point spread on the option. And yes, I think this is a sensible thing to do. We can also look forward for 28,000 and 28,500. लेकिन एक्सपायरी के वक्त ये भी हम चेक कर सकते हैं. Let us check both of these scenarios right now, which is 28,500 and 29,000. Okay, I think the liquidity is decent enough. We have 39 and 43, and we can clearly see 41 के आसपास अभी फिलहाल मार्क प्राइस चल रहा है इसका. तो ये कर सकते हैं हम. I think this can be a much better trade to take. So we can sell this option and I can then come here. I might want to sell. लेकिन ध्यान रखना दोस्तों, if I'm selling a call option with a spread also, I want to place a stop loss. स्टॉप लॉस के बिना मैं ट्रेड नहीं करूंगा. स्टॉप लॉस रिस्क मैनेजमेंट बहुत जरूरी है, एंड आई एम एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग हियर with different strategies. So this is what I think basis of looking at the chart. Risk reward buying में नहीं मिला, इसलिए मैंने sell side पे switch किया. So that's how you have to think when you are trading the markets. So I might have to look at shorting approximately somewhere around, say, just 0.3 Bitcoin, and I might want to sell at 39.50. That's the best price. I might even sell at 41. Let us just see and get verified to trade. No, I think मैंने कुछ wrong button पे click कर दिया. Let me go back. And we were looking at this spread. We were looking at selling, say, 0.3. You can even sell this. 40.50 is the best price that we are seeing right now here. That is decent enough. So 40.50 के आसपास मिलेगा. Let me just check. Wow. So I'm just checking if something went wrong. I'm not able to execute that trade. Let me again try it out, and I'm putting it the best bid right now, which is improving. I'm just going to check how much of premium I'm going to receive, and देखिए, it moves very fast. You have to be careful, as I said. Yes. So here it is. I'm going to receive an estimated $12.6 because I'm just placing an order for 0.3 as of now. I will place a stop loss. Also, once this order gets executed, so I'm going to check over here what is the current price. So I just got an idea right now. The price right now, mark price is 44, and we are selling at 42, and we are selling this. So यहाँ पर जाके हम overall, because हमारा view bearish है 28,500 के लिए, we are now taking a sell back, and I'm going to place my order. So this is how you can just do that. Once the order gets filled, I'll check, and then I'm going to again after that I might want to go and place a stop loss for that. So this is how I'm going to do that. This is how we have to look at markets, and this is how we have to trade. Or stop loss, the order that just got filled is what I can see, have sold, and then I might have to ensure stop loss placement is very important. The stop loss that I want to place now on the order, I'm going to check on an hourly chart. 1 hour chart पे देखूंगा मैं, and if I'm looking at the 1 hour chart, if I'm getting, see, 1:1 risk reward is what you have to maintain at least. तो अगर मुझे $44 पे $42 पे मैंने बेचा है, तो एटलीस्ट मुझे स्टॉप लॉस 84 के आसपास रखना पड़ेगा, which is approximately twice of what, and it is above the mid band also. So $84 is making sense. So I will just go and place a stop loss at 84, and then let's see if by 13th it comes down, it goes sideways. How it spans out is going to be important. So this is how we have to trade, guys. This is how we have to look at the Bitcoin. And अगर इस तरीके से आपको पसंद आ रहा है, तो do ensure to like, subscribe, and share across your comments. So I know these kind of videos are helping you to maybe not necessarily trade Bitcoin. You can look at Bank Nifty, accordingly trade those things, and it will be classic. It is just an example which I showed you how I am looking at the markets, how I'm pulling the trigger, how I'm switching from buying option to a selling option strategy, and you can do that as well. That's it from my side now. Thank you very much for joining in, and do share your comments, and see you soon. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful time, and these videos are available in my playlist. Do go through the Bollinger Bands playlist also, which is there, and you will love it. I'm telling you, the entire 10 chapters on Bollinger Bands. So do go through them and do share your comments. Thank you very much.